We got it from the sticks that was sticking out of the ground that you saw in the first part of the video to almost a finished product. Now, we don't quite have all the bracing put in it yet, but we're going to put some angle bracing up on the top corners and the middle post and all these other places. I just don't feel it's very strong at this point. And you need to shut up. My dog gets my attention all the time, or tries to. Anyhow, we was able to salvage some of the tin that we had from the storm that came through here that blew it off our house. And that's, you're going to see different colors there, but post your comments and questions or positive and negative comments down below. I'd like to went a little heavier on the steel, but the guy that designed this said it'd be plenty strong for this area. Like I said, we are going to put some supports up there and there, and anywhere where there's a pole in the ground, we're going to kind of put some angle supports there to make it a little more rigid. Let me see if I can get past all this mud out here. You see, we pretty much had to mud this job in. It was a mess from the start to the finish, and it's still just now drying up, and I've been just sloshing this old mud around out here with that little Kubota. And that thing's going to need a bath here pretty soon. She ain't had a bath since I got her, and she's just solid mud now. But should have got a video of that old tractor working. That little Kubota is a little beast. Little L2501. Bought it from Peter's Tractors and Peter's Tractors here in Livingston, Texas, where we're at. Got the pole cemented in the ground about 4.5 foot. But I'm just really curious if that going to be strong enough. It's only 4x4. But it's thick wall, so hopefully we won't have any problems. Let me get back out here if I can get through this mud and get you a shot of the side that we used mostly the used tin on. Kind of put it where nobody can see it, you know. It's back on the kind of the northeast, I guess north side would be. We'll walk back here to the back, get y'all a picture of the back of it. Yeah, sorry for the delays taking the video. Like I said, we had nothing but a bunch of bad weather and rain. This is all used tin back here. We used tin on the back and this corner over here. Still got to put the cover piece on each corner. Got the drip edge up on top. But yeah, guys, that's where we're at with it. Almost finished. I know I did state in the early part of the first video that I'd show y'all what the product looked like after we got it installed. This side over here, we did use all brand new tin. Couldn't salvage enough out of the other stuff. Well, guys, there it is. We'd appreciate it if y'all hit the like, subscribe button. I'll put some links down below on any of the stuff that we used in it, down under the show more button. And once it dries up here, spring sets in, we're going to be putting a lot more videos together of Kubota videos, sawmill videos, water well drilling videos. I got an old water well drilling machine. Oh, let's see if we can get over there and get y'all a little shot of that. I got a few viewers that just really want to see that old water well drilling machine running. There's some old black walnut we got to saw. But yeah, we got a homemade water well drilling machine here that we built 4 or 5 years ago. Punched about 15 holes in the ground with it, and she'll really dig away. So, you know, subscribe to our channel. When we have a new video coming out, we'll put it out there and y'all can check it out and see if you like it or not. Well, we appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.